plant trees and earn money at the same time. Sounds interesting and cool, right? It is indeed. It is an interesting crypto business concept and good business for environment. Of course, we are not financial advisors and cannot advise to invest in any project or not. But what we can do is to show good and interesting business possibilities. You will find the links to this project under this video below. A plant-to-earn project that lets user earn BNBs to plant trees. London, UK, October 17, 2022, Zexpowire. GreenFI is a community-driven project with complete transparency and integrity that rewards people for tree planting. A unique concept where you earn BNBs to plant trees at your home, office, or anywhere in the world. GreenFI rewards members of its community who participate in community management through its plant-to-earn sustainability circle model. Ecosystem. The GreenFI ecosystem is a system that serves as a sustainability method that regulates and secures the GreenFI plant-to-earn project with the aim to reward investors and community members who take part in community management. The community plans to do marketing and campaigns to bring more investors to the community, therefore generating more taxes. More also same rewards will be given to the team who all took part in the tree plantation. This circle will bring more stability to the ecosystem, and the community will also bring more stability to the ecosystem, and the community will also bring more people to join the plant-to-earn system and the cause to make the world better. The GreenFI ecosystem will provide the needed representation in cryptocurrency for a greener future while reducing global warming. With the GreenFI ecosystem, there will be a constant push towards marketing and getting more investment in the coin, increasing the community and thus boosting the ecosystem of the coin. With the aim of GreenFI becoming the largest social network of profitable business for cryptocurrency/NFT investors while also getting rid of global warming, it will be a great opportunity for you to join the GreenFI stable community. Last year's numbers and statistics. According to Wikipedia, an annual report is a comprehensive report on real and valuable cryptocurrency coins throughout the preceding year, shows that most tokens/coins are not real and not secured. The complexity for the consumer has grown due to the token marketplaces, projects, and platforms increasing variety and quantity. Most token systems have reduced this complexity because of the token market's exponential expansion. Despite the token market's rapid expansion, simplicity, long history as a reliable source of commerce, and extensive knowledge of the digital currency field, most tokens could not offer genuine benefits to society or have a lasting impact on the world. How to earn? The GreenFI coin will be decentralized, exchangeable, and long-lasting. The participants will gain rewards in BNB once they plant trees from the taxes collected and will get rewards in GreenFI as airdrops. More also, NFT collection will be launched for the community members in which participants will be able to get NFTs as a valuable asset. GreenFI Coin. Having complied with third-party services of decentralized exchanges, DAPPS, and also adhering to BEP-20 Standard. GreenFI Coin is a unique decentralized coin aimed at delivering interoperability amongst blockchains with a supply of 1.000.000.000. This is interesting crypto project and sounds very useful. But of course, before jumping into project, we would advise you to click the links below under this video and analyze yourself and make a decision for yourself. We will update about this project in the future. See you in another episode.